I got a new toy. Okay, so I used to wax my underarms and legs using cold wax. Those are the ones made out of sugar. But I felt like they were pretty messy and they have to be kept in the refrigerator for a long time. And it's still hard to manage when you get it out. So I decided to order a wax warmer that would help with waxing. It uses hard wax. I've ordered it from a store on the link below, but word of caution, not very good customer support. I've ordered supposedly the blue one. Here's a photo, but this is what I got. I returned the one you see here in the video to the seller, got a refund, ordered again because on the listing it still has that same color. But throughout the process of the order, they told me that the color is no longer available, but purple was. So I said, okay, if that, because I already ordered it, if that color is not available, the teal one, please send purple. And yet they sent me a pink one. So you know what? It's a win for me. I got it cheaper the second time around. And I hope it works well. I am planning to do a video about how to use it and waxing, alright? Thanks for watching. Bye!